Welcome to this video on how AI systems actually work. This is a primer for small business owners. AI is not magic or a replacement for your team. It is a powerful force multiplier when paired with robust business systems. We will cover capabilities, preparation, and the fundamentals of success. AI systems function as semi-automatic workflows designed for speed and consistency. They can handle foundational tasks like drafting content, routing information, documenting processes, and providing team reminders. Crucially, humans must remain in the loop to approve all final outputs. It is important to understand what AI cannot do. AI simply accelerates what already exists in your business. If your underlying processes are broken or chaotic, AI will only accelerate that chaos. Success requires strong leadership, documentation, and active human oversight. When you successfully integrate AI, you can expect significant transformations. You will likely see faster communication, clearer workflows, and reduced reliance on constant managerial intervention. These improvements drive efficiency, smoother onboarding, and a measurable reduction in operational errors. Despite these advancements, foundational business elements remain unchanged. You still need to follow standard operating procedures, make critical strategic decisions, and manage unique exceptions. AI provides leverage, but it does not replace the necessity of human effort and oversight. To prepare your team for this transition, you need openness to new workflows, a commitment to following standard operating procedures, and basic comfort with digital tools. Additionally, designate a clear point of contact and allocate sufficient time for everyone to participate in the rollout. As an owner, your readiness is just as critical. You must commit time, ideally 2 to 3 hours per week for the first 90 days. Maintain honest visibility into your operations, remain open to changing inefficient habits, and ensure steadfast consistency throughout the implementation process. Our 90-day goal is to leave you with fully documented workflows and functioning semi-automatic systems. By the end of this period, your business should be equipped with AI-assisted procedures, a centralized knowledge hub, and better operational visibility, effectively reducing your daily routine dependency. If you are ready to explore whether your business is prepared for this transition, the next step is to engage in our paid discovery process. This structured diagnostic will provide the clarity needed to move forward. Let's work together to build something that lasts.